Hi, I'm Terry.
Hi, I'm Emmy.
And we got
Stuff.
lots of stuff.
Yeah,
Tubes and radios. And they came in a box.
I know, a box.
Let's open that up. We're going to have to go back in time to do that.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Here we go. So it's Emmy. And one thing that Emmy was saying is that she's never shared her last name with you guys.
Oh, yeah.
So you'd probably assume that her last name was the same as mine, which is...
Dayton.
Oh, so now we're going to pronounce it correctly. How do you normally pronounce my last name?
I normally pronounce it as Dayton because it's just so much easier to say that.
What is it again?
Dayton.
Dayton. I like that. So that means my last name would be spelled D-A-Y-E-N. Dayton.
No, it's so much easier to say though because Dayton. We're not from England.
Well,
You want me to say Dayton?
yes.
Dayton.
Sir Dayton.
Sir Dayton.
So anyway, really this will probably work out for the better because of your new situation. So she's going to be developing an accent really soon.
I'm not going to have an accent. It's not happening.
Because she and her family recently moved away from me. So she's up visiting, gathering stuff. She wants to take like her favorite toys, grab some D-Lab's robots, kind of clean me out on her way out of town.
Mm-hmm.
So you moved to what state?
Tennessee.
Yeah, well, you said that correct. I thought maybe you'd have some way of saying
Tennessee.
that. Yeah, Tennessee.
Tennessee.
Yeah. So she will be developing an accent, I'm sure.
It's not happening.
Okay. But the reason I have her here was for that announcement, so you're not going to see too much of Emmy around, unfortunately. But I've already lined up some girls in the neighborhood that can take your place like that.
Yeah, you wish.
But what we're going to do, since she's here, we're going to have a... Will you stop
It's not
kicking
my
my card around?
My feet are not
Jeez.
long enough to be under, and then I have to put it right here.
I know.
And then I'm
know.
moving like this, and
but
I just...
now I see where it comes from. You always complain that your brother's hyper. Look at you. You're like,
I'm sorry, I had sugar today.
Did you?
Yes,
okay.
I did.
All right. So these guys don't really care about our bickering. What they want to know is what we're doing, right? So today, we have some boxes to open. Now, this one I already opened because I heard there was a part in it that I needed. So my friend Curtis has been sending me goodie boxes. He called me up and he's like, Terry, I'm moving and I've got this stuff that I'll never use and I bet you D-Lab can, right? So he told me there's some tubes in this box and I actually needed one, so I already took it out. But the rest of the stuff is in here, okay? So what I'm going to do is open the box and you can take things out of the box and put it on the table so people can see it, okay?
Okay.
Somebody has to control the box. Reach in, grab some stuff, and show people what's in the box, please.
It's not a bowl. Yeah, whatever.
I remember we said that it was probably glass, so be cautious with
Probably
it.
glass.
It is glass.
It's glass.
Yep. So that, oh, look at this, it's got little bevels on the edge.
Yep.
So, it's nice that you see it, but they want to see it. So
It's
this,
a thing.
it's a piece of glass
It's a thing.
with artwork on it from a Regency police radio. And this guy knows that I convert those radios into amps.
So a thing.
So still having the glass would be very cool. Okay, so come on, mush. Pull it out. Got tubes, lots of tubes. Can you get it out? Excellent. That's what we need to do right there. All right, so this box now can go here, like that.
Oh wow.
All right, so let's check out the tube. Stop. Let's check out the tubes. Okay. We got a 6v6 GTA. You guys know what those are going for now.
Yeah, I don't.
12x7. 12x7. I think they're actually in there. Okay. I mean, even the boxes are cool. ITT box 6v6. So we've got a good stash. Oops, of 6v6s. There's something else in the bottom here besides all the tubes, buddy. Something down there.
Ooh, a thing.
Yeah, another thing.
Another thing.
Oh yeah, look, there's the front to the monitor radio. The front is actually facing backwards. But this will be converted or converted.
You couldn't even spare us the pleasure of having an actual bag.
Man, you were so bad. Alright, so we got the original back dial, knobs, all that. So this is the makings of another little D-Lab 6CL6 amplifier. Cool?
This is a thing.
That is the little screen for the speaker that goes in the side of the cabinet. Alright, buddy. Okay. Next box. Right? Stand by. Alright, so I have to move the box, so maybe you could like have conversation, you know, keep it rolling.
So like literally talk to the camera.
Like literally. You'll lose that accent too.
No,
where
I
you're
won't.
going.
I will not. I'm not getting an accent.
We have the Exact-Toed knife I was telling her about.
You really should paint that green with like and put googly eyes on it.
Uh-huh. So then it would actually be...
You could find the exact toad.
You could. You know, if you found a toad with this and went, poosh, you go, pink, little toad would pop one of his little warts. Be sad. Oh!
What did our toad ever do to you?
I gave you a visual, didn't I?
Yes!
Alright, so this box is a little bit bigger, buddy. I'm going to set this one on the side, and you can kind of pull things out, okay? Just be careful. If I see something wood, that's always cool.
Dang it.
Come on. No bubble popping. You know, I don't know if I really want you to do this, because you're like stalling. We've got to give some action here. People want to see things. They want to see.
Dang it. These aren't popping.
Great. Good. It shouldn't pop.
They should.
Okay, what do you got there? Speak.
I have things.
It appears to be
A thing.
a bezel. That's like the window of an old radio, and then it's a bezel. So be careful, that might scratch it up. We don't want that to happen. All right? Look here. You know what's in that box right there? What's that say right there?
Speaker.
An eminence speaker. That's what's really in here.
Yeah, I wasn't going to stumble over that word.
You don't know how to say that?
Yeah.
It is a
English
speaker,
was
right?
not my best
Look at there, buddy.
grade.
It is 8-inch speaker.
I thought it was a puppy.
Yeah. I don't know if that's an 8. Is that 8? Yes. Well, it's an 8CS450, so I guess that's a 4 ohm 8-inch
It
speaker.
smells vintage.
This would be perfect for a champ. Thank
Smells
you, Curtis.
vintage.
That's very cool of you, man. Isn't it nice that people would take the time to spend the money to send me stuff?
I wouldn't.
I know. Well, you're going to have to start doing it. Because you're going down there, down south, and getting an accent.
You act like it's my fault.
You're the one that moved on me. I didn't move on you. Okay, come on. Mush.
You can move.
Great.
Right. Loose tube.
Yeah. Okay,
Here's
I'm
your
going to put the box
little
down. Okay. Take a look. With the Exact-Toed. Do you need some help?
It really smells vintage.
Yeah, it's an old wood cabinet. It looks like a very old wood cabinet, too. Let's see what it
Wait,
is.
this is bad.
Alright. So this cabinet is a UST Clear Sonic. That's a very cool cabinet. We're going to build a little Class A baby in that, maybe a 6AQ5. And this is probably the window in the back with bezel for this Rodidio, right?
What did you just call it?
A Rodidio.
Don't lie.
I got a lot of names.
That's weird.
Things that I say.
That's
okay?
weird.
Okay,
Rodidio?
hold on. What's this? Look. It says, oh, these are power transformers.
Oh.
This guy went all out. Oh, Emmy, you have got to pull out those transformers.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
I think you ran out of wrapping stuff.
Oh. Come on, get them out.
Why is it so heavy?
Because they're transformers. They're made of iron and copper. They're heavy.
It's heavier than the...
Here, let's drop it on your toe and... What?
No.
Oh, yeah. Mmm, transformer smell. Isn't that great?
Okay.
And then that looks like an output tranny.
Why is that one even heavier?
It's not heavier. This is lighter than this one.
Oh, it is.
What is lighter? What? All right. So, what is heavier, a witch or a duck? Don't you remember Monty Python when they're trying? Oh, you didn't see it.
I haven't seen Monty Python.
Whoops. Okay. Well, we're gonna watch
whoops.
that. We are gonna watch that. I'm sure everybody else knows the reference. We got more tubes. whole bunch of tuberoids.
Jeez, I have something stuck in my throat.
That's nice. 6A V6. You know I use a lot of them.
I don't think it's in here.
We got a 6A Q5.
Let's find out. What is in here?
You're such a great help.
I know, right?
Such a great help.
I know.
And we got some cloth in here. It took me too long to take it out, but it says speaker cloth from a...
What if I
I
work
think
on
it
that?
says Hammerlin and Drake. I believe that says Drake. No, that's dated, 1964.
Do you want me to start taking this out while you start doing that?
No, because I can't let you operate this. You're too
But
young.
why?
You're too young to operate an exact code knife.
I did it with my boxes.
Right? Okay, so we got a sleeve of tubes.
Code.
We're going to review this. And then we'll close because these guys are probably like, what's the deal with these two? That's nice. Ooh, these are 6005 tubes. Okay, I use these a lot in a lot of my push-pull amp builds.
Push-pull.
Do you know what that means? Push-pull?
No
All right, so let me ask you this. If I said I was building a single-ended amp, how many tubes do you think that would be?
No.
Single-ended tube amp.
One.
Good. So
I wasn't actually listening to
if
you.
I had some work that needed to be done, and one guy pushed and the other guy pulled, how many tubes do you think would be in that one? Push.
Two.
Pull. Good. See?
See, can you tell I had an A in math?
Well, it's good. I mean, you've just counted to 2. Very proud.
I know. Most simple humans
You know,
really can't figure that
I
stuff
pulled
out.
this out and you diverted me. So these are CEI electronics tubes.
It's not
I've
my
never
fault
seen
you get
CEIs.
distracted easy.
Well, yeah.
Poke, 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 poke.
Wow. Wow. Anyway, we got the makings of some very cool little Class A and push-pull amps here, right? So I appreciate it,
They
Curtis.
have 2
Yes.
tubes.
Yeah.
2
Yeah.
tubes.
It's like she always pushes on me and I try to pull back, right? Takes 2 to tango, right, buddy? See, we put it all together. Anyway, guys, I'm going to try to arrange some Zoom meetings maybe with Emi. Or maybe I can find somebody around here that could wear an Emi mask. You know, like one of those little sticks with the
Nobody's
Emi
as good
face.
as me.
Hi, I'm Emi. I'm behind the mask. Would that be good? No. Okay. Anyway, we'll try to get her on some future episodes of D-Lab, but I think it's going to be kind of a hard road for a little while until we get the routine down, right, buddy?
Yep.
Okay.
So.
Yeah. You know, I started doing videos with her when she was 2. You know that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And now look at you. Now you're 3.
Yeah, and you've aged down.
Right? Yeah, thanks, buddy. Alright, back to the future. We went into the past. We opened up the goodie boxes. We still got the goodies. So that's a good thing, because you know, a lot of times when you have like a dream and you wake up and you think you've got something and you don't. Okay? Alright, so there was one thing that we didn't cover. I mean, you're picking on me about being a date. And you know, you're going to have the accent. What's your last name?
Well, I was going to leave that just unsaid. You.
Oh, it's my fault again.
Yeah, your fault again.
Okay, so here's the deal. I believe her last name is a color.
It is a color.
It is a color. So what color is that?
It is brown.
Brown, like that cabinet. So here's the deal. I know where you're moving now. I think you're moving to a place called like Possum Lake, Tennessee, I think. And so how do you make the color brown?
Red and green.
You could be on the red